everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. My name is Belinda and I'm so glad you decided to stop by my channel. Beauties, today's video is going to be about sharing my fall ideas and new color scheme for this 2018 fall season. Since I'm not quite ready to start decorating for fall, and I think as most of you aren't either, so I thought it would be a good idea to share with you all my fall decoration plans. But before we get started, I just want to ask if you could please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and also if you'll click that bell icon so that you can be notified every time that I upload a new video. This video that's been playing from the start is my fall home tour I did last year. And in this video, you get to see all my 2017 fall DIYs. I'll go ahead and link that video up above in case you're interested in seeing it. And as you can see, I use the traditional orange and gold and brown color schemes. However, as much as I love those colors and have used them as far back as I can remember, I want to change it up this 2018 fall season. I'm going to be listing all my fall DIY videos down in the description box. I know it's too early for fall decorations, but I hope that this video kind of motivates you to start getting out your fall decor. Okay, so I finally decided to go upstairs and go and get down my fall decor bin. And I just want to show you all of last year's decorations that I have. And as you can see, there is tons of floral, and they're all in gold and red and brown. And although, like I said earlier, I love these colors, but I felt that this year I wanted to change it up. Now this is one long garland that I'm trying to unravel, and this one went around my front door. Now my plans for this leaf garland is to spray paint those leaves, and I am looking for that white and off-white colors. I also want to add some pumpkins to it, and I want to also paint the pumpkins white. I decided that this video would be good for those of us that don't want to make the extra expense in going and purchasing all brand new fall decor. Here, like you can see, I have tons and tons of floral in the color scheme of the red and orange and gold, but I decided that by spray painting them or also hand painting like the pumpkins and the leaves would save me some money. As I was rummaging through my bin, I did find quite a bit of pumpkins, and I plan to paint them like I said. Now I want to go with the color scheme of white and some gold and some very light green. That's the color scheme that I am looking for. So a lot of these decorations that I already have, I'm going to be able to use them as they are. The main colors that I do not want to use this fall season are the reds and the oranges. Last year I did this fall DIY where I spelled out the word fall using those white pumpkins. I'll go ahead and link that video down below in the description box. And I guess you could say that's pretty much the color scheme that I'm looking for. So I started since last year, but I didn't follow through with that color scheme. I purchased this ladder a while back, and I'm going to be using this for my fall decorations, and I'm going to be painting it white. And I'll be using the ladder to display my pumpkins. Ladders are a great way to display some pumpkins, or also if you want to also place some scarecrows. They're just a great way to display items that you want to show off. Last year I did this fall banner with Dollar Tree items, and I'll be using it again this year. And here I'm just showing you all of last year's pumpkins, and like I said, I will be changing them up. I will be painting them and maybe adding some fabric to them. but it's a good idea to start getting your decorations out and laying them out and see what changes you want to make to them. Here are some pictures that inspired me for this year's fall decor. I guess the reason that I'm choosing white for this fall season is because there's a freshness about it, and also it has that farmhouse style, which I absolutely love. Well, beauties, I hope that you enjoyed this video. It was my pleasure in sharing with you what my fall plans for fall decor are, and I hope that you maybe gathered some ideas of your own just by seeing some of my old fall decorations. But beauties, you have yourself a blessed day, and I will see you on my next future fall DIYs. So see you later. Bye bye, and God bless.